was a swimmer, and he
Michael Phelps. Oh, he won.
But he took steroids to make him win, to make himself win. And, like, they took away his medals and stuff. Like, they got him on video saying he was a bum. Like, disgusted? Yes, please. Thinking that he was a bum. Did you know that? Can you talk or do I gotta talk?
Can you talk?
Oh my god. I wish I could say that. Instead of,
Regularly. You got meatballs.
I didn't know what to say. How cheap is that?
American. Native.